moving. That's our version of tornado. It is, you see, shaking everything. Shaking everything. Passes along the river. See? See? That's our version of tornado. Yeah? It's passing through the water. You can see. See? It's pulling. It's going. You see? It's going. Here they go. Here we go. You got it. That's the eye of the tornado. The eye of the tornado in Africa. Right here in Kenya. Look what it's doing. Look what it's doing. Sending it all in the air. Yeah, you see it's going to school. It's carrying the kids. The kids are running. Yeah, yeah. Terrible, terrible. I hope they're safe. I hope they're safe. I hope they're safe. Oh, it passes behind them. It's right inside the trees. The kids are running. They ran. They are very safe. They are very, very lucky. And the tornado passed there. And whew, that was terrible. It's going somewhere there. I hope nobody's hurt. But, I'm lucky today to catch a tornado in Africa, Kenya, to be precise, in the village. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all that are happening here in our village here. So it's gone, it's moving up there. It's just like a twister, but that's our version of a tornado. Hello, my viewers, my friends. We're just working here in the yard. It's been a hectic day, and we're just working here, making sure that things are being done well. We brought this tree down. We've already cut off the roots because we want to use this side for building the wall. So it's just gonna be work. It's another day work. Yeah, so that's the river as usual. You know, I'm just near the river. That's my beach view of the river, and that's where we are. So today I'm gonna show you the project we have. I have a lot of projects, things going on at the yard, but I'm working on the stairs because I have a retention wall which is very high, and I'm trying to get some steps to help me step down here instead of going around the perimeter. So I'm gonna show you how we are doing it. We've been working so hard here, and everybody here is working hard. So let's go and see how it's being done. This is the retention wall we are building to help us step up there. So we're breaking the steps down and just making a narrow step all this way down here. So we just brought these stones here to help us build this one here. So that's the work we're gonna do today. Engineer, is it not so narrow? Because I'm very. And narrow. Oh, okay. I thought it is it's narrow. That you can fall on the sides. Okay. Yeah, I was just thinking that it was gonna be very narrow, but the engineer himself, the man who has the knowledge in the head and applies it from drawing to the ground, and it stands. So that's the retention wall that we are trying to cover down here so that the steps works well. That's the engineer himself, the man who allows his hands to be dirty all the time, Mr. Tom, at work. Yes. Trying to fix this thing is entangled. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the contractor. This is the engineer who built this house. So if you are interested in building or in constructing anything Don't go for trials and errors. Go for the right person. Engineer, introduce yourself here. Somebody might be interested to give you some job.
Yes. I'm Tom Habi Lokech. I've been building for the last 40 years. I did a higher diploma. I did a diploma in buildings and a higher diploma in the building and civil engineering. So this is what I've been doing for the last 40 years.
Yeah. Experience inbuilt. It's a template. He teaches the contractors, he teaches the other engineers, and he does that one as a part-time job too. Is also lecturing them, and is also consulting. He's a consultant engineer too. If you have any questions about some complications, ask him or inbox me, then you can talk to him. He can advise you on what to do. Otherwise, he's a very resourceful person that I have in the site here, and he has worked so hard to help things work out here. So let's go to the garden here and see some things, good things working on in my garden here. Tom, apparently that last time we had somebody calling you. Yeah, I advertised him and somebody called him all the way from Canada to ask for his advice on construction, and he did, and he got the job. So he's somebody who he works so hard, and he can work everywhere, anywhere you want him to go. So that's what it is. So I'm today here, shopping here to see if I can get any fruit, because it's very hot, and all the fruits are gone. I think we have to. It's a bad day for me. There was one that was there, but the bird took it away. I'm waiting for that one here. If maybe it gets better, I can start. I can bring it down and look at the banana. Oh wow! This is what is happening here. This banana is hidden on the other side. I didn't see. The birds have been working so hard on it. Look, this is how it is. If you don't see it, they come and take it away from you. See, those are the bananas that we could have been getting for our dinner, but the bird has already. He came. They spy so fast and check, and once they get a good one, they hit it hard before you. So I'm lucky I saw this one, so I have to take this one down, because they will. If not, they will take all this away from me. So I have to get this banana out today. And I have a papaya here. This one here is good. I can use this one today. Yes. So you just have to be very vigilant. If not, you look at this. I have enough here for my lunch today. Look at that. Nice to be a farmer. You see? That one I can, and even this one, I can get them down. If not, they'll be taken out very fast. These birds are very, yeah, anyway, we have to share. They are also here. They have to exist. They clear. If I don't take it out, it would break down and fall, and but if they eat it, I am happy. I'm not complaining, because these birds, they are part of the nature. We have to coexist. We have to live together. Yeah, that's our natural forest that my dad said will never be brought down by anybody. But it's been so hot. The trees are just drying themselves on their own. See that one? And this one is also drying, because there's no water. It's so hot. The ground is so hot. That lemon there is withering. Yeah, the season is very extreme, but that's what it is. We just pray that rain comes soon to rescue us. See the river down there, and even the river is narrowing, it's getting very thin because of the drought. People are overusing it. I'm included, I can't complain. So we have to keep praying so that we can get some good rain. Otherwise, this is what it is. And yeah, that's my day. That's how my day goes. Yeah, been just in the shade here today to show you my banana plantation. That's my banana plantation, and I love to be here when it's hot. But anyway, I have to go back to work and continue working. Yes, so we take vacation to come to rest. But in the village here, there's nothing like vacation. You come running, land running, and you continue working. So that's what I'm doing today. Every day we leave here very late at 6. We start our job here at 7, but I'm here at 6 to open the door, and then we work until 8 o'clock at night. So it's a lot of work to be done. But if you don't do it, then nobody can do it for you. So you just have to close your eyes and do things the way you want them to be done. Yes, so that's a Ruby, and I'll continue showing you more videos and continue watching and share, like, and also give the other people opportunity to watch and see what Arubi is doing. Thank you so much and keep watching. The work was a lot. At this time, everybody had a section to do, perform, and help one another so that we work together as a team. It's like a piece of puzzle. Everyone department or every section has, like this here, this guy who's fixing the stuff, the one I'm giving the stones, he was the mason, so I had to be a mason helper to get him the stones, the right size, so that he could place them in the right place. So yeah, so kept on going. Yeah, and the other one was fixing the clay so that everything could be done quickly without wasting time. So there is the guy who is the mason. Yeah, there you go. That one. And then this one mixing the clay here. And the helper is readily available with the stones, the sizes he wants, the shapes that he wants. Some of them he has to manipulate them to fit where they are wanted. Yeah. And of course, at the same time we were working, we had fun, a lot of jokes, men at work, exchanging jokes, and working in a very friendly and harmonious environment. I like my people working for me. I like to make them feel that they are doing something very special and they feel belonging to a very special group of people working hard and doing the best to make ends meet. So these guys, yeah, at some point it was hectic that we needed help because the stones had to be brought here so fast. So some people came and offered help from other areas where they were working. Yeah, and we kept going. So sometimes it's very interesting and
and hectic at the same time. Yeah, so that's how we did it. I was tired, but we kept going because it wasn't time to stop. Nobody leaves before the job is done, so we had to keep going until we finished. Yeah, then the engineer would come along and confirm that everything is done as per the measurements are concerned. Yeah, so that's how my day went on. It was like a beehive. Everybody was working on something, and we were here doing our best. Yeah. I'm a hands-on person. I don't like to sit and wait for people to work. I feel it's a good thing to participate. I know I'm on vacation, but at home the vacation is always something to be done. Projects, we come for vacation, but we're going for a project. So makes it interesting and restless too. You don't enjoy the vacation because you have to do something. But it's something I like, so I enjoyed it. Yep. Yeah. So we did it. We had a tank here, which we were filling with water from the river to help do this job, because if not, it will be hectic to go down the river to get the water uphill all the way here, pull it manually. Very hectic. But we were lucky. We were close to the river. We had more than enough water. So the job became easy. Just like you can see. Coordinating with everybody in the line. Yeah, and also joking and making fun at the same time. We didn't want it to be like serious. People don't joke. No, it's not a military camp. This is a working environment where everybody like what they are doing. Yep. And it's very encouraging when they see that you're working. You're doing it yourself too. That way they know that you can do stuff. So even if they don't want to do it, they feel like, oh wow, he's doing, we can do it too. At this time, the men were chit-chatting at work and exchanging ideas as we kept on bringing the stones together. So this is the wall that we're gonna, the steps down here. This is how we started it. It's just flat ground. We dug it. We're using some clay, and then we will use mortar or concrete on top of it. Otherwise, this is what we're doing today. We want to make it work. At some point, we want to bring it down so that when you are coming from the top there, then you just step easily down here and walk to the river in a beach style. You can walk from here in a bikini and go straight into the river and swim. I love this. Keep watching. It's our tornado happening right now in our area. It's a soft tornado. If you scared all the birds and flying all the debris in the air, the birds flew out, and I would call it a tornado, but it's like a strong wind. See, it's pulling everything up in the sky, like the birds, trash, debris. They are coming back, falling on us here.
Yeah, it's a very strong one. You can see there it's moving. That's our version of tornado. See, it's moving. It's moving, it's carrying everything. See, the debris are flying from the sky. Those are debris. We call it Kalausi. But yeah, you see? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, Kikubikon, you know. That's tornado. That's our local version of tornado. See, it's moving. What we have? See? It's coming. It's pushing everything in the sky. Debris. But one thing with this tornado is that it's not. See, that's the eye of the tornado. Yeah. See, moving. Somewhere else we call it tornado, but here we call it Kalausi. But you see, see, it's tearing it's not tearing the tree, but it's really shaking it. See the debris falling from the sky, and it's moving. Okay. It is moving. That's our version of tornado. It is, you see, shaking everything. Shaking everything. Passes along the river. See? See? That's our version of tornado. Yeah? It's passing through the water. You can see. See? It's pulling. It's going. You see? It's going. Here they go. Here we go. Got it. That's the eye of the tornado. The eye of the tornado in Africa. Right here in Kenya. Look what it's doing. Look what it's doing. Sending it all in the air. Yeah, you see it's going to school. It's carrying the kids. The kids are running. Yeah, yeah. Terrible. I hope they're safe. I hope they're safe. Oh, it passes behind them. It's right inside the trees. The kids are running, they ran, they are very safe. They are very, very lucky. And the tornado passed there. And whew, that is terrible. It's going somewhere there. I hope nobody's hurt. But, I'm lucky today to catch a tornado in Africa, Kenya, to be precise, in the village. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all that are happening here in our village. So it's gone, it's moving up there. It's just like a twister, but that's our version of a tornado. Yeah, it's a river, and we are walking just near the river. It's not riverbank, but just around the river. So we have some very nice breeze from over there, cooling, though it's very hot. Yeah, that's another screen. It's enough. These are the ones we're going to use as our clay for building our retaining wall. And we have to do it. Mark out. Mark on the low area. That's how it goes. Maybe I'll put mark out. Let's stop. So this is Arubi again. Just wanted to show you our progress today, what we've done. Look at that pillar, that retention wall was done there before, and today we did this one here. This is the stairs that we are trying to construct for future ease of stepping down here. And this is how we built it with stones. We just brought it very slowly down to this level so that we can easily walk step by step on the ground, to the ground here. So that's what we did, and want you to keep watching and see more progress. See the stairs? We did it today. To you from this angle here, you can see the steps are coming from the ground here. You can step here. 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one and fifth one we'll do tomorrow. We got late with this job because we started late, and that's how it came all along. Coming here, step by step, and up there. I'm happy we did it to this extent. Okay, this is part of the project, so we are breaking these stones and we are using them for building these stairs, which is coming nicely, like you see. The stairs are coming here now. They're coming slowly this way, and then it's coming to the retention wall, and that's what we're doing here. Here, that's the job. That's the mason, that's the engineer, the expert, the man who knows what he's doing, and he's fixing it so nicely. And you see, step 1, 2, 3, and it's coming up. You come up there softly as you go up. Yes, so that's how we do it. Yeah, as usual, I show you the rib all, and let me go to work. Continue. On the side so that put your arm on the, pull it down there. Okay. See, it's like a razor. If this lands on you, you're crippled. Okay. Piss off. My bad. Is this good? Okay. Work on this.
This is impossible. It comes with a price. So it's that, and so it's that. It doesn't come out easily. What are you drawing board? This is how our stairs was coming up slowly into this shape that we wanted. It was soft even when you're walking on it. It's soft on your knees. You don't feel like you are stressed to pull and like climbing. So I loved it this way. This will be a very, in future we'll cement it all over so that it is not eroded, because erosion can also dismantle everything that you've done. So we'll cement it nicely until it becomes nice soft steps going up into the ground level of the house. Yeah, that's the project that we did on this day. Yeah, you pick one project, finish it, next, and that's how we enjoyed working here. Everybody was ready to do the job. See these guys breaking these stones, same way I was doing it for the mason to get what fits where he wants it. It was so big, so he cut it. Yes, so more videos to come. It's getting late and I'm been working here so hard, and we are tired. Everybody's tired and we are leaving now. And I will give you more tomorrow or another day. Thank you for watching. Welcome again. Share and keep supporting by commenting and also sharing with others. And all these are motivations. If you like it, start and we will follow you. Thank you. God bless you and bye.